Hi, EB. Just wanted to go over some woodworking we're doing here at our VQ HQ and the quality. So as you can see here, where we have our straight line, we got a consistent gap here. What Mark and Doug did was held a 1/4-inch plywood along at the steel ring and then butted their wood to it, so we kept that consistent. If you look down here, there's consistent reveals in these slats, so that all looks good. Another thing we had going is this floor is out of level, so every one of these slats is slightly ran out of level to gain, so we don't have a rip down here, and you can see that. So for example, you would cheat this one down a 1/16 and then keep this, and then you just keep cheating as you go, so you get a solid piece down here. So that's another thing we did. And then if you look up, they added blocks for our sprinkler heads and our light, so that base has something nice and flat to sit on, and we don't have any areas or gaps for dust or anything to collect. So hope that helps you on your next woodworking project. Thank you. Have a great day.